Okay, young engineers, today we're going to get started working with Inventor, and I think you'll like it. Most students find working with Inventor and rendering things in 3 dimensions to be fun, but there are a few things that are going to make our lives much easier as we continue to progress in our skills and we start to make more and more complex objects. One of the things in the first rule of Inventor is really this wise old sage is telling us, thou shalt not work without a project file. And that is so important because if you're ever going to try to make something, an assembly, that takes two or more pieces and puts them together somehow, you can't do it unless they're in the same project file. So you really want to avoid just jumping on Inventor and starting sketching things because it's going to come back to bite you in the end. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. It is easy, and we'll go ahead and do it right now. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to the desktop. The desktop, yours is going to look much cleaner than mine. I've got a lot of files and folders on this, and I'm just going to have you set one up. So on an open space, just right-click, go to New, and then click Folder. It's bolded or highlighted in blue, so we're going to go ahead and give it a name. I want you to use your last name, and I probably already have a folder called Hennings, so I'm going to call mine Hennings IED. You can do the same thing. Hit enter. So that's where we're going to store our work that we do in Inventor. I'm going to go into this folder and I'm going to make another folder to store our first project in Inventor, which is going to be activity 4.2 from Project Lead the Way. I'm going to do it the same exact way. I'm going to right click in here and I'm going to say new folder. I'm going to call this activity 4.2. That's fine. So everything we do today in Inventor is going to be stored in this file. And let me show you how to designate Inventor to do that. So I'm going to minimize that, open up Inventor. Going to go to projects. Now I have a lot of projects in mind from years past. Yours is going to be almost empty in that case. I'm going to go to new. I'm always going to choose new single user project. And here's where we designate that folder that we just made. So it says project workspace folder. That's the one we just made. I'm going to go here, click right, and I'm going to go to the desktop. That's where we put the folder. I called it Hennings IED. Inside that folder is activity 4.2. That's where I want the work that I'm going to do to go. So I'm going to select that one, hit OK. So now it says the work that I do in Inventor when this project folder is clicked is going to go here. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a name, and I'm just going to call it also activity 4.2. Hit next, hit finish, and let's go see what that has done for us. I'm gonna hit done, go back to that folder, IED, activity 4.2. So it's already started setting up some of the groundwork for the files that are going to go in there. When I do work in Inventor, I want to make sure when I'm working in it that this is the file that I just made, right? The project file, activity 4.2, that's checked. Now I can go create a part, a drawing, an assembly, or a presentation, and whatever I save will go into that file. So remember, Inventor on a PC is not like Google Chrome. We have to save, we have to give it names, and we really have to pay attention to the organization of our files. This will get you started. As soon as you have a folder on the desktop with your name on it and activity 4.2 folder inside of that, you're ready to start. Get to work.